To check out all our products, go to MusicNomadCare.com. Hey, it's Gerard with Music Nomad, here to talk about how to give your fretboard the best cleaning and conditioning treatment. A cleaned and conditioned fretboard doesn't only promote string life and longevity, but it also helps protect the unfinished wood from drying and cracking. Music Nomad's Unfinished Fretboard Care Kit contains everything you need to clean and condition your unfinished fretboard. It even comes with a storage tube to store all the components in between uses. F1 oil is formulated with a complex mixture of ultra-refined tree and seed oils to clean and condition your fretboard. It has no lemon oil, no wax, no petroleum, silicone, or water. It is the go-to for touring repair techs, repair shops, and even guitar manufacturers. Our 2-in-1 microfiber fretboard cloth comes with a soft side for applying and cleaning with our F1 oil. Then on the other side, it has micro scrubbers sewn in to help lift the grime and dirt off your fretboard. The kit also comes with a unique brush that has a scraper on one side and V-shaped bristles to help give your guitar fretboard the spa treatment. I have this old Washburn electric with a rosewood fretboard. It's been sitting around a long time. So we're going to do the whole 3-step system with the cloth, the brush, and the F1 oil. Let's go for it. We will start by putting a drop of F1 oil between each fret. A little goes a long way. F1 is safe on all unfinished wood, including rosewood, ebony, and even unfinished maple. It is not recommended for painted or stained fretboards found on cheap guitars. After you finish, go back and take the small scrubber side and massage in the oil, trying to lift and trap all the grime off the fretboard. This unique cloth, designed just for fretboard care, is perfect to get the job done. Look at all that's coming off. For really dirty fretboards, you will most likely add another drop of fretboard oil to work with the brush as it deep cleans and conditions with the brush bristles. So go back over any hard to get grime that has either settled in the small holes in the wood grain or is nestled against the fret wire. You can use the V-cut fibers to get right up against the fret wire, or turn it over and use the corner to pick out the grime. We also have this plastic scraper on the back side to help get a real soiled fretboard clean. Make sure you go with the grain as you're using the scraper. Another cool feature is we have ribs on the handle that acts as grippers on the cloth. So you can fold the cloth over the handle and use it to get alongside the frets. After using just the cloth or a combination with the brush, use the soft side to wipe away any residue still on the board. So if you're looking for the best way to clean and condition your unfinished fretboard, Music Nomad's Fretboard Care System is the go-to every time. Music Nomad quality, raising the bar in equipment care. Thanks for watching another one of our how to use Music Nomad product videos. For more information on all our products, go to MusicNomadCare.com.